That's disgusting.
They just keep blocking.
Yeah, TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, what's happening, TNT squad, man? I hope you guys enjoy. Oh my God, the whole intro was good, but I didn't even say the right thing.
Shut your stupid. Oh. Say that, folks.
What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Tony B. What's going on, y'all? Hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys liked that video I dropped on Thanksgiving.
Nope.
If y'all didn't, I'm sorry. But hey, I thought it was pretty cool. But today, we're going to be working on a TNT actual garage. I know the channel is called TNT Garage, and we working on the actual headquarters, man. If y'all can't see, this plywood, it came down. I guess it put a lot of tension on this bar right here. And I guess it went on and snapped one of the springs up here. I don't know what you call them, compression screws. I don't know what the heck you call them, but we got them over here. We got them from Home Depot. Got some actual wood screws. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this thing back up into some of the studs in the roof. Let's see if I can pull them. I got some rods, even though I found out these came with rods, but let me pull them out. Let me, man, come on. All right, my bad, y'all. As y'all can see, I finally got them out the box, and you see they came with an actual rod to lessen the tension on the actual spring. Here goes some rods I bought, even though I might not need them now since I got these. But yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but hey, we're gonna do the best we can to try to get the headquarters back in decent shape. Cause man, we couldn't even close the garage, man, because of these springs, man. The garage was so heavy that the garage opener wouldn't. That junker, it looked like it's been beat up too, man. Lord have mercy. But yeah, we couldn't even close the garage, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and look on YouTube and check out a couple things to try to see if I can remember exactly how to take this tension off of here. Cause that's why I saw it on YouTube, and man, it seemed like it was pretty simple. If I could swap out an engine, man, I know I can change this out, man. So y'all stay out there in them comments, man, talking junk, man. Let's get to work. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put up this drywall, and then we'll work on the garage door. All right. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Now this is the help I get. He sit here and just be farting. You just be farting on your arm all the time, don't you, man? That what you do all day? Hey, we gotta get up here, man, and see if we have anything on that that drywall to make it come down like that. Oh my goodness! Don't y'all hate having to come up in the attic, y'all?
Hey.
Oh Lord! Nothing but boxes up here. Dad's old army bag. Got the AC unit. Okay, I'm already maybe seeing a problem. No. Let's see. No, it don't look like anything is on top of it, because look at this plywood up here. I think that was the problem we had before. Somebody stepped through right there. I don't know if it was Chris or not, but Yeah, somebody had stepped through right there before in the past. And yeah, it might have just came down. If y'all can see it over there, that little crack in between the plywood and that piece of wood. I'm gonna try to see if I can screw the plywood into that actual piece of wood right there. And hopefully it'll stay up, y'all. Woo! Your old agenda, okay. All right, guys, let's try to fix this plywood and be careful and not fall.
Fight.
Man, I can't be just doing that blind, trying to find a stud type of thing.
Oh, come on now, dog.
I guess I'm gonna try to see where that beam at and make sure I put a screw right there where the actual stud is, y'all. I could have sworn it was a stud right there, man, but it looks like it's just empty space. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what I got, man. Woo! As y'all see, your boy struggling, stripping out screws and everything like that. Let me know in the comment section how y'all get Phillip head the right size so it don't strip it out, man. Because I did that twice over there, man. I can't never figure that out. But this is what we got. I went on to put a bigger washer on there because it was so the drywall was so compromised. It needed a little bit more surface to reinforce it. I'm gonna put a couple more. It don't look the best, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint it white, put another one on this side, and probably put two more on that end, and probably, two right here. But this is good enough for now. Now we gotta tackle the big, oh my goodness, the big culprit right here. Huh? What you saying, man? All right. Shh. Be quiet for a minute. Yeah, now we got to get this off. Make sure we get the tension off the spring, and hopefully and pray to the Lord that it ain't too hard to do. But I don't think it is. Let's go ahead and get it, guys. Let's go.
Help! Police!
I got two. Oh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Gay!
All right, guys. I got the tension off both of the springs. This one is nice and loose. That one is already the tension been off of it because it broke. Only thing I'm worried about is this right here. If you guys can see, this thing has been tight.
No, to the no, to the no.
Now back to the show.
All right, we got the black spring, which they say this is the left-hand wound one. So this is the one you put on this side. And now the red paint one, this is the one that is clocked right hand. The spring is clocked right hand thread. Not thread, but it's wound right hand.
You smart.
Yes, sir. Hey, we are back in business, y'all. Hey, Todd, chill out. Stop, man. But I end up greasing up all the hinges and stuff like that. Hey, and we got this thing fixed, y'all. Hey, I'm not telling you that this is a how-to or anything like that. And I'm sorry that it's not car related. But you know what I'm saying? I had to get this done. And I wanted to get you guys a video out real quick. You know what I'm saying? Since I wasn't working on the car, I know y'all guys love your boy. So you know you want to see everything I do, right?
No, to the no, to the no.
Carl said, yep. So, hey, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. And once again, man, if you like it, hit that like button. If you don't, man, just hit the dislike. And then let me know, you know what I'm saying, what I can improve on my videos, man. I really want to be the best content creator that I can be and on YouTube. But, hey, thanks again. Oh, my God, boy, I can't even talk.
Let's go.
What'd you say? Let's go? Thanks for watching, guys. All right. Peace. He said, peace, baby. Peace, baby. Peace, baby. Ah!
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.